Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AIM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume. Also some solid volume on Monday, so good to see that continued on into the day. And from a big picture perspective, a tricky chart to talk about. And I say that because if you had the perspective of some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, who knows, maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes. Well, then from that point of view, from that perspective, sure, the chart's looking pretty bad right now. But if you have the perspective of just a bigger picture type viewpoint, then I get it. Yeah, from the highs, there was this bigger pullback. But the overall chart does still have the opportunity to chip away and build some higher bases, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So I'm going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into the trade. So first level to keep an eye on, and really the main level and why I would still consider this chart bullish, and I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price comes down here to 45 cents, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.